Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to learn how to delete a file in Python the safe way using best practices. We'll explore how to remove files using the OS module, how to prevent common errors like file not found or permission denied, and how to write exception-safe code using multiple except blocks. Let's get started. Go to the PyCharming, right-click on Files folder, choose New Python file. Let's name the file delete_file_demo. Let's also create a sample file manually in the same directory and name it example.txt. You can open that file and type a simple message like "This is a test file." Then save and close it. Next, to delete a file, we need the OS module. At the top, type import OS. This module helps us interact with the file system, like creating, deleting, or renaming files. Let's move on. Now let's try to delete example.txt using os.remove method, but safely. We start with a try block, try: Inside that block, type os.remove open parenthesis within quotes example.close parenthesis. Then print a confirmation, print open parenthesis within quotes file deleted successfully close parenthesis. Now let's handle all the common exceptions. At the first except block, we type except file not found error : then print open parenthesis within quotes the file does not exist close parenthesis. This will run if the file is missing, maybe already deleted or never created. Let's now handle permission issues. Type except permission error : then print open parenthesis within quotes permission denied close parenthesis. This can happen if the file is in use or we don't have rights to modify it. Finally, let's add a catch-all. Type except exception as a : then print open parenthesis f string. An error occurred : open curly brace close curly brace close parenthesis. This will catch anything unexpected like disk errors, encoding issues, or invalid paths. First, make sure the file example.txt exists. Then run the code. You should see file deleted successfully. Now run it again and you will get the file does not exist. Let's quickly go over what we've done. We imported the OS module to access file deletion features. We used os.remove method to delete a file named example.txt. We wrapped it in a try block to catch errors. If the file doesn't exist, we printed a clear message. This approach makes your Python scripts production ready and crash proof. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.